Mga kababayan, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi, nasaan man kayo sa mundo. Sa video po na ito, gusto ko lang pong ipakita sa inyo ano ang naging reaksyon ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos isang tanong matapos niyang i-address sa bansa ang energy situation or ang krisis na kinakaharap natin ngayon.
You know, we will have to explain the entire energy system because I have a fair idea of what you're getting to.
Sir, just
Thank you
one
very much, sir.
clarification, sir. Will the government temporarily take over, or at least the DOE will temporarily take over the oil industry following the announcement that was made?
Thank you very much, Mr.
I
President.
don't want to get into that discussion.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. And that concludes the President's address.
Halatang-halata po sa video na ito that the President is uncomfortable with the unexpected question raised by one member of the media. Halatang-halata din po na si Auntie Claire or Ate Claire minamadaling paalisin ang Presidente kasi baka iba pa ang masagot niya. Kung napansin niyo po ang body language ng President, talagang very uneasy siya, and eventually sinabi niya, I don't want to go into the details or to discuss this matter. And then nag-take over na si Ate Claire. Ganyan ba ang presidente na meron tayo? Opo. Ganyan na ang presidente na meron tayo. Natatakot na i-address ang mga tanong ng mga mamamayang Pilipino or ng media, which by the way echoes the sentiment of Filipinos. Not only domestic to the Philippines but also globally. Kasi lalo yung mga OFW, yung mga pamilya nila nasa Pilipinas pa. Pero ang presidente, tingnan natin, he couldn't even answer a very simple question that any president would be willing to answer in order for his countrymen to feel at ease or to be certain with respect doon sa situation na kinakaharap ng bansa natin. So, tama ba ito? Tatanggapin na lang ba natin ito? Or are we just going to look at each other, left and right, and then we're going to blink our eyes, 1, 2, 3, and hope for miracles to happen? We deserve what we tolerate, mga kababayan. Tandaan po natin yan.